Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Lecture 2. Non-primitive DS. Non-primitive data structures are more complex data structures that are built using primitive data types and are used to organize and manage collections of data in more sophisticated ways. Some common non-primitive data structures include 1. Arrays. An array is a collection of elements of the same data type, stored at contiguous memory locations, and accessed using an index. Arrays can be one-dimensional or multi-dimensional. 2. Linked lists. A linked list is a collection of nodes where each node contains a data element and a reference, link, to the next node in the sequence. Linked lists can be singly linked, each node has one link, or doubly linked, each node has two links, one to the next node and one to the previous node. 3. Stacks. A stack is a data structure that follows the last in, first out, LIFO, principle, where elements are added and removed from the same end, called the top. Stacks can be implemented using arrays or linked lists. 4. Queues. A queue is a data structure that follows the first in, first out, FIFO, principle, where elements are added at the rear and removed from the front. Queues can also be implemented using arrays or linked lists. 5. Trees. A tree is a hierarchical data structure that consists of nodes connected by edges. Each node can have 0 or more child nodes. Trees are commonly used to represent hierarchical relationships and are used in various algorithms and data structures. 6. Graphs. A graph is a collection of nodes, vertices, connected by edges. Graphs can be directed, edges have a specific direction, or undirected, edges have no direction. Graphs are used to represent networks, relationships, and various real-world problems. These non-primitive data structures provide more flexibility and efficiency in storing and accessing data compared to primitive data types, allowing for more complex and sophisticated data manipulation and algorithms.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.